Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking mini chocolate chip sugar cookies. Ingredients for today's mini chocolate chip sugar cookies are 150 grams of butter, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of cold full cream milk, 1/4 cup of cold water, half cup of dark mini chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's begin. Scoop the butter into the mixing bowl. Place a sieve onto the mixing bowl and then pour the flour into it. Now sift the flour onto the butter in the mixing bowl. Pour the vanilla essence on it and then add in the sugar. Now add into the bowl the cornstarch, the salt, and then mix everything together with your hands until they are evenly combined nicely. Continue the mixing until the butter is mixed up perfectly with the dry ingredients, just as you see in the video being displayed. Now mix the water with the milk and then pour it onto the flour, butter, and other ingredients in the bowl. Continue the mixing on. When the ingredients come together in the form of a dough, pour the chocolate chips over it and then mix the dough and the chocolate chips together until the chocolate chips are infused with the dough. Now cover the dough with cling film and leave in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. When the dough is out of the fridge, dust the chopping board with some flour and do the same for the baking sheet which will be used in baking the cookies. Now remove the dough from the cling film and place it onto the flour dusted chopping board and then dust the rolling pin with some of the flour and proceed to the rolling of the dough. When rolling out the dough, ensure that it is a little bit flattened and has at least half an inch thickness on the edges of the dough on the chopping board. Now pick up 2 round cookie cutters with the measurements of 1.5 inch and 2 inches respectively and then cut out the rolled out dough on the chopping board. Remove the cut-out doughs from the rest of the dough on the chopping board and place it onto the flat dusted baking sheet. Ensure that as the doughs are being placed on the baking sheet, they are arranged accordingly and nicely. I forgot to mention earlier that half of the chocolate chips was poured to mix with the dough, so the rest of the half will be placed on top of the cookies before it is baked. The placing of the chocolates on the doughs does not really have a format to it. Just do it how you bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes at most. And with that being said, our cookies are ready. Arrange them nicely stacked on top of each other just as seen on the plate in the video being displayed. This is how the cookies look from the inside. Very crunchy and delicious. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.